Hey, what's going on? I finally got a box of 2012 Topps Tier 1 baseball. These have been selling out pretty quickly. There's some awesome bat knobs in it, other cool cards, autographs, 2 autograph cards per box plus 1 relic card. We'll go ahead and rip this. See what I get. Wish me some luck. Kind of like the design of the box. Kind of understated. Kind of retro in a way too. It feels a little retro. Inside the pack. Alright. Here I go. Only 3 cards per pack. I think there are 4 card hot packs. So, okay. So the middle one seems pretty thick. That's nice. We see that one, Josh Reddick, 173 of 350. It's a pretty nice card. I'm going to go ahead and jump to the back one, which is Kevin Youkilis. Red swatch, 37 of 399. It's pretty nice. And let's go ahead and reveal the middle one. Looks like it's a cider. It's number 1 of 99. Nice, Prince Fielder. Nasty patch there. No, not nasty. Close to nasty. 3 color. There's a little bit of white, yellow, and blue. It's pretty nice though. I like that. Let's see if I can get a little close up. Nice. It's a sweet card. I don't think I got my money back, but you know what? I never really sell stuff anyway, so it's not like I'm trying to make a profit or anything. There's the Reddick up close. 73 of 350. And the Youkilis. Cool. Might try another one of these in the future. We'll see. Alright, thanks for watching. Peace.